My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Boom. BOOM. This is the ransomware from the Phobos ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I'll just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware attack, as you can clearly see, we don't have any troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened without any complications at all. We have to admit that because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Boom ransomware may be pretty soon injected into the computer. And when it happens, the files become no longer available. The ransomware encrypts the files and reveals this ransom note, mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Boom is the extension appended to the file names. Removing this extension manually does not fix the issue and the files are still encrypted. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom, because if you paid, you may just waste your money for nothing. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on Start Scan button, the program will begin researching, investigating your system. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, you may find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. At the end of the scanning, you'll see a summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for getting your data always protected.